Okay, you guys, hopping right into this video, we are going to make these pretty cookies, okay? And we're using a Bundt cake mix. This is like the easiest way to make cookies and they are delicious. Alright, so starting off, I'm using 1 box of white cake mix. And I'm going to add in 2 eggs, 2 large eggs, a half a cup of vegetable oil, and that's it. And we are just going to go ahead and mix this up until it forms a dough, and then start folding it over until you see no more of that white stuff or the liquid from the eggs or the oil. So now I'm going to divide this up into 3 separate bowls because I'm making 1 chocolate, 1 portion strawberry, and we're going to leave the other portion the white vanilla flavor, or the cake flavor in other words. Alright, so I added in a teaspoon of the Hershey's cocoa baking powder, and then I added in like a 1/4 of a teaspoon of vegetable oil, and I'm just going to go ahead and keep on smoothing this out and folding it over until it is completely chocolatey, if that's a word, but until it's chocolate. Alright, so now I'm going to move that over, and then I'm going to do the same thing with this vanilla one. So for this one, I said vanilla, this is strawberry, but for this one I am going to use some strawberry jello. And same thing, I'm just going to add a little bit of oil just so that it's not completely dry out, and I'm going to just smooth it out and fold it over until it forms the color that's needed, which did not happen. Okay, so I end up adding in a couple of drops of red food coloring just to darken this up, because I actually didn't want pink, I wanted red, which is why I used a pack of red jello mix, and it still came out a pinkish color. So this is the color that I got after I added in the couple of drops of food coloring, which was perfect. Okay, so now I'm adding all of them back to the bowl that we started with that had the rest of the it's not even white dough anymore, the vanilla dough, and I'm just going to take pieces of each and ball it up to make these perfect cookies. Okay, so now that I have all of my cookies on the pan, I am going to just go ahead and spread them out to make sure that they don't touch once they start to flatten up or expand while they're in the oven. And then I'm putting some morsels or some chocolate chips on here. I decided to put some upside down and some face side up, or the pointy side up. I just thought that the face side down looks prettier when they bake. Out of this cookie box, I was able to get 36 cookies. Okay, I'm going to put this in the oven and bake it at 325 degrees for about 12 minutes. Your oven temperature may be different, so definitely check them out. And this is the finished product, you guys. They are so pretty and so delicious. You get a little bit of everything. I hope you like this video. Leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in my next one.